Hello everyone, and welcome to, I guess this is part 2 of the Squarebody tow truck. Last time you saw me bring this truck home, I put an engine in it because there was none, and we saw it tow the S10 backwards for the first 50 feet. So this time I wanted to show you, just give you an update of what I've been doing to it. And I've been fixing all the body rot, and all the holes that were on this side are gone. As you've seen earlier, the video of me taking the fender off the boat trailer and welding it in, I did took out the old can style lights and I put in these with the rubber grommets. There's still few small holes I gotta fill in. This goes inside the box. I want to fill them in with metal or weld first. I really don't want too much Bondo on this truck. I want to keep it as much metal as possible. I'm gonna beat it up, so I don't really want to have the Bondo flaking off. It's gonna look pretty bad. So I'm trying to get as much metal on this truck as I can. Nobody's seen this side yet. It looks really good. I'm really happy with the way it came out. As far as the rest of the truck goes, I see some Bondo here. I might change these doors out with, I know some of you will remember the primer gray ones that were on my red truck at one point with the West Coast mirrors on it. I might put those on here. These doors are, other than I see a little Bondo on this one, and the hole here, really solid. Oh, I didn't see this. Oh yeah, that one has it too, with a hole in it. Yeah, so maybe I will change them. So I'm probably going to put the West Coast mirrors on it. Gotta get front tires for it. I have to do an inner fender and this fender, which I have them both, so that's not a big deal. I really want a cowl induction hood. That'd be so sweet. You didn't see the other video. That's what it's got in it. Oh, that Quadrajet, I just got up there, I revved it up, and I stuffed the rag over it to choke it out, and it cleaned it right out. So that's working good again, but I do want to trade that, or I want to swap that out for a Edelbrock. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that. A big hole in my AC when I put the engine in, so now I gotta fix that. I'm sure some of you have done that before. What else? Oh yeah, this side needs an inner, but I'm probably just gonna put a patch on it because the rest of it's still really solid. Fender's good. This door, same thing, probably gonna swap it out. Rocker panel definitely needs to be done. What else? I think that's about it. Gonna do some wiring, the lights, stuff like that. Wire in those new tail lights. Probably swap them out for LEDs. I had those. I had where the hell is a piece of it? Well, you can see here they have holes in it. It was a 3-place light they came off of that shuttle bus. If you recall from the S10 videos, if you're watching them, I'm making a truck camper for it. I took the doors off a shuttle bus, or a handicap van, or whatever I called it. It was a shuttle bus, E350 shuttle bus, but I had the handicap doors in the back. But anyways, those are the lights off the back. When I scrapped, I took those off too. I just cut one off, so, and they were the right size, same height and everything. So that was easy. This piece, just a piece of rectangle tubing. I cut this off, this piece right here, because it's got like, I cut that off. That's that piece. The old light buckets, the metal ones, I don't like those, so this thing was shot. What else? There's what's left of my boat fender. Alright, so I think that's about it for this part of the wrecker, or the tow truck. It's not a wrecker because a wrecker has a boom, but this was a hauler somebody had made up or whatever, and then they added the wheel lift afterwards. So this isn't a wrecker, I know that. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this episode of this truck. I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, till I guess part 3 of the tow truck, I'll see you guys then. Thanks.